Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Munakar, teacher of Joint School Family, and I am continuing your class 8 science subject. Okay, so today we are going to find some of the molecular weight of some molecules. Okay, so we are going to find the molecular weight. For example, we are going to find the molecular weight of first your MgSO4. Okay, this is your magnesium sulfate. So this is a magnesium sulfate. We are going to find its molecular weight. Okay. So what is the molecular weight of a molecule? Okay. So it is a simply the sum of molecular weight is simply the sum of atomic weight of atom present in the molecule. Just like your example, magnesium sulfate is made up of your magnesium, sulfur and oxygen atom. Okay, so simply what we will do now, we will find the atomic weight of magnesium atom, sulfur atom and 4 oxygen atom, and we will just simply add it. Okay, so magnesium sulfate is made up of your 1 magnesium atom. It has 1 magnesium atom, so atomic weight is how much? Atomic weight of 1 magnesium atom is your 24. Okay, magnesium, its atomic weight is your 24. Similarly, it has 1 sulfur atom and its molecular weight is your 32. Okay, 1 sulfur atom, its atomic weight is your 32. Similarly, for your oxygen, it has your 4 oxygen atom, so weight of 1 oxygen atom is your 16. Okay, weight of your 1 oxygen atom is your 16, but it has your 4 oxygen atom. This is your oxygen. Okay, it looks like 40. This is your oxygen atom. Okay, so 4 into 16, that is your 64. So therefore molecular weight of MgSO4 is equal to this 24 plus 32 plus 64. Okay, it all together comes 16 0 3 4 5 120 AMU. Okay, atomic mass unit. Okay, so simply what we are doing here, we are finding the atomic weight of magnesium, that is your 24, atomic weight of one atom of sulfur, that is your 32, and atomic weight of 4 atom of oxygen, that is your 1. For 1 atom here, for 1 atom of oxygen, its weight is your 16. It has 4, that is why 4 into 16, that is your 64, and add this 24 plus 32 plus 64, that is your 120 AMU, that is your atomic mass unit. Okay, so now in the similar manner, let's find for ammonia. Okay, our second is suppose ammonia. NH3, this is your ammonia. Okay, so in ammonia, okay, how many atom of nitrogen is there? 1 atom of nitrogen, and its atomic weight, let us write an atomic weight. For your nitrogen, its atomic weight is your 14. Okay, if you see in your book, you can easily find there. Okay, please see that table. For your nitrogen, its atomic weight is your 14, and there are 3 hydrogen atom. Okay, so for its 3, for 1 hydrogen atom, its atomic weight is your 1. For 3, so 3 into 1, that is your 3. Okay, so molecular weight is how much? Molecular weight of ammonia, that is your NH3, is your 14 plus 3, that is your 17 AMU. Okay, It's very simple. We have found here just atomic weight of nitrogen and hydrogen, and we have just added it. Okay, and we got the molecular weight of ammonia. Okay, now in the similar manner, let's give you one more example. Okay, so that it will be more clear for you. For your number 3, calcium carbonate. Okay, so here one calcium atom, its atomic weight, for your calcium, its atomic weight is your 40. Okay, 40. One carbon atom, for your carbon atom, its atomic weight is your 12. Okay, and there is 3 oxygen atom. For one oxygen, it is your 16. Atomic weight is your 16. For 3, it is your 3 into 16. That is your 48. Okay. So now molecular weight of CaCO3 is equal to 40 plus 12 plus 48. That is your how much? 100 AMU. Okay, so this is the molecular weight of calcium carbonate. For one atom of calcium, its atomic weight is your 40. For one carbon atom, its atomic weight is your 12. And for 3 oxygen atom, its atomic weight is your 3 into 16, that is your 48. For one oxygen atom, its atomic weight is your 16, but there is 3. Okay, there is 3 oxygen atoms. So 3 into 16, that is your 48. Okay. So in the similar manner, let's one more find here. Okay, one more, that is your, let's find for CO2, that is your carbon dioxide. So for a carbon dioxide, it has a one carbon atom, its atomic weight is your, for carbon it is your 12, and 2 oxygen atom, its, for one oxygen it is your 16, for 2 oxygen is your 2 into 16, that is your 32. Okay, so molecular weight is how much? Molecular weight is equal to of CO2 is how much? 12 plus 32. Okay, that is your 44 AMU. Okay, I hope it is clear. So in this way you can find the molecular weight of any molecules, but there you need to simply see there whose atoms are there and how many. Okay, you will just simply find the atomic weight, okay, of the atom present in the molecules. Find that all, add it, and you will get the molecular weight of that molecule. So I hope you have understood today. These are the questions in your exercise. Okay, lesson 12, language of chemistry. Okay, there these molecules are in your exercise. There it is said to find the molecular weight. Okay, so I have done that for you. Some are remaining, you please try yourself. Okay, so I hope you all have understood to find the molecular weight. So thank you for today. Thank you everyone. Stay home, stay safe.